Hi everyone, and welcome to Regina Library. Today we'll be walking you through how to use our library catalog. We'll show you how to get to the library catalog, how to do a search, how to narrow your results, and how to track down items that you're interested in. Riv Research is a great tool for searching across all our library collections at once. But if you don't need articles from our databases, the catalog can be an easier place to start your search. You'll find all of our books here, both print and electronic, as well as movies, test kits, magazines, and media equipment. Basically, anything that you can check out from the library. From the library homepage, there will be a link under the Riv Research search box that says Library Catalog, Books and Movies. Click there to be brought straight to the library catalog. You can search the library catalog by keyword, title, author, or subject. Click on each one to see tips underneath. You can also start an advanced search right from here if you'd like to do that. But let's say we're looking at books on Italy. I'm going to type Italy in the search box and then hit enter or click the submit button. Once we've got our results page, we'll see lots of information about what's available. There are 2,700 titles about Italy, and the catalog is automatically going to sort them by relevance. If I'd rather see the newest titles, I can do that here by clicking Date, or see them alphabetically by clicking Title. We'll see the title of each item, the author, the publisher, the year, and a thumbnail if it's available. We'll also see the type of material over on the left. If it's an ebook, it will have a link saying View Digital Resource that we can click on to go straight to the title. If it's a print book here in the library, you'll see information about where it's located and whether it's available or checked out. And we can always click on the title to get more information, including a summary and a table of contents. You can also click Request up at the top of this page if you'd like to place it on hold. Let's say we just want print books though. On the top of the search results, we can click Modify Search. This will bring us to a screen where we can enter a little more information about what we're looking for. To get print books only, I'm going to click the drop-down under Location and select Book Collection. You could also limit your results here to ebooks, videos, magazines, reference, tests, or materials from our sister library in the Education Building, the ERC. Once you've made your selection, just click Submit over on the right, and you'll be brought to a whole new page of search results limited to that collection. We hope this overview has been helpful, but if anything we went over today isn't making sense, or if you have a question about something else, we're happy to help you track down the answer. That's what we're here for. You can call us, text us, email us, chat with us, or stop by the library. We're open until midnight most nights, and we have a reference librarian at the desk every hour that we're open. Thanks for watching, and happy searching!